Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to insert inline code into a table in WordPress. It's a simple process and only takes a few minutes. First, click the Login button at the top right corner. On the Login page, choose Continue with Google and select the account linked to your WordPress site. This gives you quick access to your dashboard. After logging in, go to the Quick Links section and click Edit Site. This opens the WordPress site editor, where you can manage your website's blocks and content. Inside the editor, locate the table block where you want to add inline code. Click on it to bring up its settings and options. Next, look at the top navigation bar and click the small drop-down arrow. This reveals more options for the table block. From the drop-down menu, find and click the inline code option. This allows you to insert code directly into the table cell without breaking formatting. Now, type or paste your code snippet directly into the table cell. The inline code feature keeps your code tidy and readable, perfect for programming examples or technical details. Once your code is added, double-check the table to ensure everything looks correct. Adjust spacing or formatting if necessary. And that's it! You've successfully added inline code into a WordPress table. This method keeps your content clean, professional, and easy to read. Thanks for watching.